Hello friends, welcome to Dhaka 11 Institute. Today I am going to discuss about desktop motherboard audio section. This audio section is very important because nowadays customers are bringing their desktop motherboard for audio problem. So this section is very important for those who are interested in repairing desktop motherboard. So I am discussing today, and first of all we can see there is a diagram, colorful diagram. This is actually desktop motherboard 24 ATX connector. So here from power supply there will be joined a connector will be joined from power supply. This is there are a lot of wires, colorful wires. Actually these wires, colorful wires, will generate voltages, signal, or any other, maybe ground. So from these colorful ports we'll get the voltages and signals. In audio section, first there will be plus 12 volt from ATX connected to this regulator, and this plus 12 volt will be converted to 5 volt, and then it will enter into audio IC, and audio IC needs another voltage that will be entering into audio IC from ATX connector number 1 pin, and this 3.3 volt is entering as VCC. So we can get these two voltages. These are the main voltages of audio IC. These voltages are very important for power on this IC, and then the audio IC will communicate with south bridge, and it is very important. The communication is very important, and communication will be successful if south bridge is good or audio IC is good. Then they will communicate each other, and after communication, and then audio IC will give output, and this output will be to audio port we have in our CPU casing backside. We can get that port, and then there is input and there is output. So this audio IC will pass this connection, these signals, these voltages, whatever you say, after having these voltages and after having communicated with south bridge. So these steps are very important, so we have to understand before repairing desktop motherboard. So we'll have to test first, and then we have to test in hot. So this desktop motherboard audio section is very important for repairing desktop motherboard. So I hope you understood. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and like and share this video, and stay with me. Thank you very much.